art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Woody from Toy Story, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to get started by framing in the hat up above, and we're going to draw this on a diagonal. So leaving a gap from the right, further to the top, we're going to curve this line across and over to the left. Let's step in. So leaving a small gap, we're just going to round out the front of the face, curving that down slightly. Let's round the cheek out now. So from that line, we're going to extend this further out, curving that down and back in, flattening that out. Let's continue to bring the chin down. So we're going to follow this line, curving this around, and we're just going to tuck that in for the chin. Let's move up now. So we're going to tuck the side of the chin up on a diagonal. So on the left, we're going to continue to bring this line through, curving that out. Now from here, we're going to round the side out, tucking that back up, just making sure that line blends together there as best as we can. Let's add in our ear now. So on the left, we're going to curve this over, tucking that up, pulling that back down. And then we'll close off the side of the hairline here by just tucking that into that line on the top. We're going to draw in a diagonal line coming out. Let's straighten this line, pulling this up to the top for the hair. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this background and into that top line. Stepping over, we're going to bring this line down, moving across again, replicating that, making this one smaller. Now in the center, we're going to move further over from the middle, and we're just going to curve this around and up for the front of that hairline. Let's continue adding in some details. So for the hair on the right, we're going to curve this down on the side. Now let's add in some details. In the ear, we're going to round this out, tucking this over and down. And then from that point, just curving this over and through to the bottom. Now let's add in our eyes. So actually let's add our nose first so we can frame the eyes in around it. So we're going to come down from the center of this, and we're going to curve this across for the top of the nose. Now from that point, we're going to round that out to the left. Let's frame in the eye. On the right hand side, we're going to curve this line over. From that inside of portion of the line, we're just going to round this out, drawing in an arch line, tucking that in. Let's add in a circle in the corner here. So connecting it from this line, we're going to round this out, curving that over and down. And then right in the center of that, further in towards that corner, we're just going to draw in a circle for the pupil. And then we'll just add in a small circle on the top for the highlight. And then we'll go ahead and just color in the rest of that circle black. Let's add in a small eyelid on the top, curving that across. Let's focus on the left eye. So coming through on a diagonal, leaving a gap here, we're going to curve this line out. Again, from the inside here, drawing in an arch line, connecting this, pulling this all the way around, tucking that back in. Further over to the left-hand side now, we're going to draw in that circle for the eyeball. Now let's move up closer to the bottom, drawing in another circle for the pupil of the eye. And then again on the top, just adding in a small highlight. And then we'll just color in the rest of that black. Let's add in another eyelid, so coming up, and we'll just curve that across. Let's add in the eyebrow here. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line through to the middle. And now from that point, we're going to round this out, tucking that over, connecting that back down. To the right-hand side, lining that up at the same height. Again, we're just going to curve this line through. And then on the inside, we're going to round this out, curving that over and across. Let's come down for the mouth. So on a diagonal from here, for the corner bracket for the mouth, we're just going to arch that in. For the mouth here, we're going to curve that over. And then continuing on the top here, we're just going to curve that up, down, and across. Now to the left-hand side from the corner, we're going to curve that out, arching that up and through to that top line. Let's add in the teeth. So we're going to curve that line across, tucking that up on the side. And then for the tongue, we're just going to arch that in the opposite direction. Let's add in the hat. So on the right hand side here, curving this around and through to the top on a diagonal. We'll come down on a diagonal again on the left, curving that out. Now we'll connect this together. So from the left hand side, we're going to curve this up, flattening that out as we come into the middle. And then we'll continue to arch this up and over to that point on the right. Coming down on this line now, let's curve this line out to the side. And then from that point, we're just going to bring this back down on a diagonal on the left. Let's add some details on the top here. So we're going to curve this line up, down, and in. Leaving an even amount of space, replicating that. We'll leave another gap as we move through. Continuing that, we'll just make this one slightly larger as we come up. Again, leaving a gap, curving this down and across. And we'll continue this as we do this all the way to the top. Let's continue the hair underneath. So imagining this pulls through under the ear, tucking that in. And then now we're just going to draw in the neck. So on the back here, let's curve this down. We'll come across on the right, curving that down, ending that on a diagonal. Let's close this off with a curved line from the top, arching that through. Now to the right hand side, we're going to curve this over, tucking that back in. And then underneath that, we're going to curve that line down. Now from that point, we're going to tuck this out, around, and back into our chin. Now for the back portion here, just drawing in a half circle. Closing off the handkerchief behind in the center, curving that up. And now from that point, we're going to pull that back around and in the middle, curving that out. Now on the bottom, we're just going to draw in a small curved line, curving that out. And then we'll pull this back through towards the center. And that is it. That's how you draw Woody from Toy Story. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.